Okay, this is how I wash my fleece. First, I pull it so that it's all separated. You see, it's all pulled into these long lines. And then make sure it's all fluffed up. And I put it into the wash machine. I don't want it to felt, you see. Okay, so now I'll fill it up. I'll fill it up with warm water. And I'll add some soap. And what I'm going to do is let it soak. I'm going to let it soak so it will dissolve the dirt that's sticking to it, and then I'll spin it. I don't want to agitate it at all. I don't want it to felt together. So here it is. You almost went in the drink with it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have filled it with water. Make sure this is all under the water. And I will let it soak for a while. Guess I have to let it agitate once to get the soap mixed in everywhere. There, and then I'll just let it soak until all these bits that are on the fleece liquefy. Okay. I won't close the lid. See, this is what it would have looked like if I tried to wash it when it's still fresh. You see, it would have been harder for it to get to everything to clean it. This way, I don't have to agitate it at all. Okay, it's been soaking about an hour now. So, my hands are dirty from being in the garden. Now little bits of things will be able to be pulled out later, pre-spinning. Anyway, so now I don't want to agitate it. I just want to spin it. So then I'll just hang it up outside and it's all spun. I have to wash my hands now with my homemade soap. see it's on delicates. So I'll just wait for it to go out. I can talk to you while I hold the machine in place. Some people's machines stay in place all by themselves. That's because someone levels them. This one needs leveling. Much leveling indeed. So you can watch how the circle goes around. See, that's how you know the washing machine is spinning, because the circle goes around. Look at the circle. You are getting very sleepy. Very sleepy. Very sleepy. You are getting very sleepy. Feel your eyes drooping, drooping. When I count to 3, you'll fall asleep. And when you wake up, you'll click the like button and the subscribe. And you won't remember anything except the lovely spinning wool getting ready to spin. Wake up. And then you can let it rinse if you wish. I'm just going to let it spin again. Alright, I think that's all gone out. And then you just carefully lift it up. And you carry it outside. Then you hang it on the post to dry. There. And then it is ready to spin as soon as it's dry. And there you have it. Pulled and washed wool.